Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about this multi-purpose machine. This is a very important machine you must have as a fashion designer. It helps a lot. Now this machine does up to four major things. It does eyelets, cover button, beading, and iron pressing button. This particular machine does these four things I mentioned: eyelet, beading, cover button, and iron pressing button. This machine does it. So it's very important. You can see it. You must have come across this machine. The first time I saw it, I was asking myself, what can I do with this? Even when I bought it safe, I didn't know the purpose until someone taught me. So I feel like sharing this information. This season you have a lot to do with this. It's very important. And apart from the machine, for you to use it, you have all the things you need for it. This is for cover button. It has so many dies, so many sizes. Now this is the dies for cover button. Okay, this size 45, that is big side, and this is 36. This one for shirts. Okay, it has so many sizes, so it's very important to know the ones that people want at the time, because if you go to market you have so many sizes of this. Okay, but the ones they normally ask often is 36 and 45, which is these two. This 36, you can see the inside move very well, and this is 45. This is for cover button. And another dies here is for the eyelets. Now we have so many sizes of eyelets, but in eyelet there is normal size that everyone asks of. This is the size. I don't know the number of the size, but this is the normal one that everybody asks of. So it comes like this. Okay, this is for eyelet. Now this particular four are for beading. Okay, this is the beads that does not have hole. That's the one you use for this, not the one that has hole. The one that has hole, you have to use your hand needle or beading needle, okay, to apply it to your cloth. But those ones that doesn't have hole, you work with this die is for beading. Now how do we do these things? Okay, it's very important to know there's so many sizes of the bead here. We have four sizes. We have the smallest size. You can see smallest size of it. It's very small, just like a dot. Okay, you put the bead here. Now this is the biggest size. You can see the inside of it. You can see the inside. This is the medium. This is the small size, and this is the smallest. You can see the holes there are different. You can see it. This is for beading, and it comes like this. Some people have only two, some have, but if you want to buy, ask them of the one that has four sizes. If you go to market, some will remove one and sell three, some will remove two and sell, but it's important you have the four of them. It comes together like this. For the prices, it depends on your area. Okay, both all these things depends on your area. If you go to those that sell machine parts, they have it. Just ask them of beading dies. So guys, you can see this the beading dies, this eyelet dies, this normal size of eyelet, not the big one, not the small one. It has many sizes, but this is the normal one that people ask of every day. Okay, and this is the cover button dies. It's very important you know about it. If you have the knowledge, you can then buy it. For the purchase, if you want to order for it, is available. Okay, I can get it for you and it will be delivered to your location. Okay, you can see it. It's very, very useful. And one thing about it, you must always oil this so that it will not be stiff. It always needs to be free because of movement. And see, you make sure if you have it already and you don't oil it, you really want it to spoil. Make sure you apply oil on it daily. So you must always apply oil on this. Just the way you oil your machine is very important. You can see because of the movements here, you need to always oil it. So if you want to order for it, it will be delivered to your location, even at your doorstep. Just give me a call. I'll put my number on the description box. Tell me the ones you need. I will deliver it to your doorstep. So guys, in case you don't know how to use this multi-purpose machine, I have step-by-step video on how to use it to achieve your eyelet, your cover button, your beading and your iron pressing button. Okay, I'll drop the link on the description box, so just follow the link and watch each of the videos on how to achieve any of them. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Keep watching for more information and bye until I see you in the next video.